अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मैं हूं आपका टीचर मंसूर सलीम और आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे फर्स्ट ईयर इंग्लिश न्यू बुक के चैप्टर नंबर 9 चूजिंग करियर के मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज। लेकिन एमसीक्यूज स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं आपको बताता चलूं कि इस चैप्टर की लाइन बाय लाइन उर्दू एक्सप्लेनेशन की वीडियो भी चैनल पर अपलोड हो चुकी है, जिसे आप अपनी स्क्रीन के टॉप राइट कॉर्नर पे मौजूद आई बटन से एक्सेस कर सकते हैं। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। एमसीक्यू नंबर 1, which of the following best describes the type of text in the passage choosing career? A personal narrative, a scientific report, a new article, an informational essay. And the correct answer is option D, an informational essay. MCQ number 2, what is the main goal of choosing a career? Social status, making money, fulfillment of desires, future growth and development. And the correct answer is option D, future growth and development. MCQ number 3, what is the meaning of the word fantasy? Tree, animal, imagined scenario, food. And the correct answer is option C, imagined scenario. MCQ number 4, what is the meaning of the phrase speculative musing? Interesting, delicious, conjecture, unpleasant. And the correct answer is option C, conjecture. MCQ number 5, what is the most important factor to consider when choosing a career? Prospects of productivity, satisfaction, salary and benefits, all of the above. And the correct answer is option D, all of the above. MCQ number 6, the following terms are considered synonyms and interchangeable: job and career, growth and talent, success and career, passion and commitment. And the correct answer is option A, job and career. MCQ number 7, a career is not merely a skill, degree, passion, job. And the correct answer is option D, job. MCQ number 8, this is a full-time or part-time work done by a student to supply himself during academic term. Job, career, internship, business. And the correct answer is option A, job. MCQ number 9, this is a short-term strategy and does not necessarily require a professional degree or future planning. Marriage, job, career, graduation. And the correct answer is option B, job. MCQ number 10, job is a long-term strategy, short-term strategy, medium-term strategy, none of these. And the correct answer is option B, short-term strategy. MCQ number 11, the purpose of a job is to. And the correct answer is option B, earn money. MCQ number 12, what is the primary difference between a job and a career? And the correct answer is option A, a job is a short term and a career is long term. MCQ number 13, which of the following is not a characteristics of a career? Long term planning, future growth, personal advancement, short term strategy. And the correct answer is option D, short term strategy. MCQ number 14, which of the following is a requirement for a career? And the correct answer is option D, all of the above. MCQ number 15, the first thing one should consider while choosing a career is their academic background, social status, interest, family's preference. And the correct answer is option C, interest. MCQ number 16, it is important to choose a career that interests you because it will. And the correct answer is option C, bring satisfaction and happiness. MCQ number 17, many students choose a particular field because of prevailing social trends, insistence of family, peer pressure, all of these. And the correct answer is option D, all of these. MCQ number 18, what does the term peer mean? A certain level of education, a professional degree, a definite skill set, all of the above. And the correct answer is option D, all of the above. MCQ number 19, which factor can influence someone's choice of career? And the correct answer is option D, all of the above. MCQ number 20, it is important to have information about different careers too. And the correct answer is option D, make an informed decision. MCQ number 21, what is the potential outcome of choosing a career solely based on social trends or other people's opinion? And the correct answer is option B, lack of motivation. MCQ number 22, lack of motivation in a career leads to. And the correct answer is option C, dissatisfaction and negative emotions. MCQ number 23, if a person excels in his field by putting his heart and soul into it, it will lead him to potential growth, success, satisfaction, all of the above. And the correct answer is option D, all of the above. MCQ number 24, what determines the choice of career? And the correct answer is option A, personal values and personality type. MCQ number 25, what do personal values do? And the correct answer is option A, shape preferences. MCQ number 26, your career decision should correspond and complement your. And the correct answer is option A, values and personality type. MCQ number 27, what may be more appealing to an extroverted person in terms of workplace environment? And the correct answer is option A social, customer oriented workplace. MCQ number 28, what may an introverted person be more at ease with in terms of career tasks? And the correct answer is option B, more independent analytical tasks. MCQ number 29, an introverted person requires much interaction, less interaction, no interaction, constant interaction. And the correct answer is option B, less interactions. MCQ number 30, this is a good field for someone who likes practical work in the field. Engineering, academia, research and development, journalism. And the correct answer is option A, engineering. MCQ number 31, engineering may be a good field for someone who likes to do practical work, theoretical work, analytical work, creative work. And the correct answer is option A, practical work. MCQ number 32, what type of career may be suited to a person who values creativity and artistic expression? Arts, finance, law, engineering. And the correct answer is option A, arts. MCQ number 33, the thing which is important in choosing a career is to. And the correct answer is option D, identify one's strengths and weaknesses. MCQ number 34, why it is important to know your strengths and weaknesses when choosing a career. And the correct answer is option C, to determine required skills. MCQ number 35, the career that requires solid and logical skills is. And the correct answer is option B, computer science. MCQ number 36, study of computer science requires accounting skills, chemistry skills, logical skills, imagination skills. And the correct answer is option C, logical skills. MCQ number 37, the career that requires good knowledge of accounting is chartered accountant, graphic designer, software engineer, sales representative. And the correct answer is option A, chartered accountant. MCQ number 38, good knowledge of this subject is required to become a chartered accountant. Accounting, marketing, computer science, visual arts. And the correct answer is option A, accounting. MCQ number 39, what attributes should you possess if you are interested in visual arts? And the correct answer is option B, creativity and artistic ability. MCQ number 40, how can a person display his artistic attributes in the visual arts? And the correct answer is option A, through his work. MCQ number 41, you choose a career only when you are sure that. And the correct answer is option B, you possess the required skills. MCQ number 42, what type of tests are available online to help you make a career decision? Aptitude test, driving test, IQ test, personality test. And the correct answer is option A, aptitude test. MCQ number 43, what should ensure when choosing a career? And the correct answer is option C, compatibility of abilities and interest. MCQ number 44, what kind of perception should we have our dream career? And the correct answer is option B, realistic and attainable. MCQ number 45, it is helpful to talk to a veteran of career field to gain valuable insight, a job offer, fame, a new skill. And the correct answer is option A, valuable insight. MCQ number 46, if you are interested in pursuing a career in academia, who can you approach for guidance? And the correct answer is option B, your teacher. MCQ number 47, what kind of information can a teacher provide to pursue a career in academia? And the correct answer is option D, all of the above. MCQ number 48, who can provide valuable guidance to pursue a career in the military? And the correct answer is option D, an army officer or a recruitment center. MCQ number 49, what is the benefit of talking to an army officer or visiting a recruitment center while choosing military? And the correct answer is option C, to know more about life in the forces. MCQ number 50, what can you learn from an army officer or recruitment center while choosing the military? the demanding selection criteria, fashion trends, politics, economy. And the correct answer is option A, the demanding selection criteria. MCQ number 51, career counseling seminars can help you in. And the correct answer is option B, choosing a career. MCQ number 52, who can guide you through admission process? A lawyer, a clinical psychologist, a professional career counselor, a journalist. And the correct answer is option C, a professional career counselor. MCQ number 53, professional career counselor may give you a job, decide your career, guide about your career, give you scholarship. And the correct answer is option C, guide about your career. MCQ number 54, what kind of information can a professional career counselor provide? And the correct answer is option A, suggestions for suitable institutions. MCQ number 55, one can find a detailed admission related information for universities on universities' website, in books, in magazines, on social media. And the correct answer is option A, on universities' website. MCQ number 56, what do most universities conduct as part of their admission process? Entrance test, fitness test, art competition, singing competitions. And the correct answer is option A, entrance test. MCQ number 57, most of the universities conduct their entrance test, but some also accept the TSA score, MTA score, SAT score, MAT score. And the correct answer is option C, SAT score. MCQ number 58, SAT SAT stands for Socialistic Assessment Test, School Aptitude Test, Scholarship Achievement Test, Selection and Admission Test. And the correct answer is option A, Socialistic Assessment Test. MCQ number 59, what is the SAT SAT score? And the correct answer is option C, a score for admission. MCQ number 60, you can familiarize yourself with the format and content of university entrance test by. And the correct answer is option A, visiting university website. MCQ number 61, to get information about admission, one should ask other students, visit university websites, read books, consult parents. And the correct answer is option B, visit university websites. MCQ number 62, what is advisable to do before taking the test for medical universities? And the correct answer is option A, prepare for the test subjects. MCQ number 63, you can find books and relevant material for test preparation from scientific labs, libraries or the internet, clothing store, your teacher. And the correct answer is option B, libraries or the internet. MCQ number 64, what are mock test? Improvement test, ability, mocking test, fitness test, emotional intelligence test. And the correct answer is option A, improvement test. MCQ number 65, finding your dream career is not merely a job, wish, opportunity, goal. And the correct answer is option B, wish. MCQ number 66, what does finding your dream career require? Hard work, commitment, right attitude, all of them. And the correct answer is option D, all of them. MCQ number 67, what should you do if you are unable to achieve your goals? And the correct answer is option A, be realistic and have a backup plan. MCQ number 68, having a backup plan does not mean. And the correct answer is option B, giving up on dreams. MCQ number 69, if you don't succeed, you should give up, try with the same methods, rethink strategy, sit idle. And the correct answer is option C, rethink strategy. MCQ number 70, life offers everyone a sea of opportunities, problems, difficulty, failures. And the correct answer is option A, sea of opportunities. MCQ number 71, every individual has an untapped and undiscovered talent, no potential, no talent, same talent as others. And the correct answer is option A, undiscovered talent. MCQ number 72, a true potential can be optimized by following the crowd, ignoring talent, giving up, identifying the suitable career. And the correct answer is option D, identifying the suitable career. MCQ number 73, one should put themselves through an honest assessment, a dishonest assessment, an assessment of skills, no assessment. And the correct answer is option A, an honest assessment.